Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your Brave browser with password. Alright, let's get it started. So here first step is to open your Brave browser. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you open the web browser, on the right hand side, on the right corner, you have to click on the customize and controls and then click on extensions. Then click on settings, and on the left hand side you can see the extension option. Click over here and then click on open web store. Now what you have to do is search for the extension. The name is set password, and then click on this extension which is called set password for browser. So next what you have to do is just click on add to Chrome. So once you do that, it will take some time, and after some time you'll have this prompt where you have to enter your password. So here you have to set your password. Make sure the password is simple and easy to remember. Now click on OK, and then next you can just click on OK once again. Alright, so now let's check if it is working or not. So let's open the Brave browser, and here you can see it is asking us for the password. So that's it. Now you have to enter the password correctly to use the browser. So let's enter our password over here, and it is unlocked. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to lock your Brave browser with password. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.